Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about a healthy and tasty side dish that takes just a couple of minutes to make. It is made with red spinach and black chickpeas. I have a lot more exciting recipes coming up. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified on my latest recipes if you haven't subscribed yet. For this recipe, we will need some red spinach soaked in salt water and washed well to remove any soil. Chop and keep them aside. If you are using fresh chickpeas, soak them for at least 4 hours and pressure cook for around 6 whistles with salt. Next, heat some oil, add asafoetida and cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds crackle, add dry red chilies and fry them till they blacken. Now go ahead and add the chopped curry leaves and fry them until they are crisp. If you choose to avoid oil for this dish, you can skip the dry red chilies and curry leaves. Now add onions and fry them till translucent. Now that the onions have become translucent, add the turmeric powder and fry for 30 seconds. Next, add the chickpeas and saute for some time. Now it's time to add the red spinach, cook with lid for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, continue to saute for some more time. As this dish is not supposed to be watery, ensure all moisture is dried up while you saute. Serve this dish warm. In my opinion, this dish goes best with rice. I'm having mine with some brown rice. Hope you liked today's video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.